Hey everyone, I'm Zara, and today is insane. Whoa. Where am I? This is incredible!
Salve! Hello!
And I am in the ancient Roman Empire. Today was so much view, Horan Atri, Roman Empire. Can you believe it? I'm actually standing in the Roman Forum. Exploring the Forum. I'm literally walking in the heart of the Roman Empire. This is where politics happened. This is where laws were made. This is where people came to chat and do business. Amazing sculptures. Walking through the streets. Enter the market. Entering the market. I'm in ancient Rome, and I'm about to see what life was really like for the people who lived here. So I'm gonna go and explore and see what I can find. Look at how they're dressed. They're wearing togas. What are you selling?
Yes, we have earrings, we have necklaces, and we have this, which is like a pizza, but it's not a pizza.
Wow.
Like this, if PC bought the pizza de torce, but it's
Okay.
and we get it's like not a pizza.
Let's try this. So good. Kind of like
I've heard good massages stuff for. I've done all the same. Like, could really land my breathe. Like, guys, this is so good.
this like at Count House really Roman bath roller. Oh my goodness, this is a Roman bathhouse. Just incredible. So I'm inside the Roman bathhouse, and it's in Tirso. I'm inside the Roman bathhouse, and it's incredible. The architecture is just stunning. Just soaking up the Roman life. This is so relaxing. The market is so vibrant. What are you selling? Oh. Let's try this. So good. Hello. I'm standing in the heart of the Roman Empire, a city that was the center of the world for over 500 years. This is where laws were made, where leaders were celebrated, and where people from all over the empire came to trade, to worship, and to be entertained. Of all the ancient civilizations, Rome has always fascinated me. To think this city was the center of the world for over 1,000 years, with over 1 million inhabitants. Just look at these roads, these buildings, this incredible infrastructure. I'm about to head into the market. It looks so vibrant and full of life. I can't wait to see what's inside. Snart talas det viårs, the we're gonna better ding that's my very fine in. That's real that least to be seen, so I really sorry Claire and think with you the people in a bargain and lead up subbits. And look at this. I'm literally in the heart of ancient Rome. What's it like being a Roman soldier?
It is a great honor to serve the Empire.
This armor, it's designed to protect me.
Wow, that is incredible. It's so heavy.
Yes, it's very heavy, but it's necessary for battle.
And what about your sword?
My sword is my most important weapon.
Whoa, check this out. I can't believe I'm watching this. Everyone's carved the flag to Kleine Jerman is knit one more Sederly, the first by key. I'm literally in front of the Colosseum. Can you believe believe this? We're actually inside the Colosseum, in the arena. These gladiators were true heroes of their time. Can you imagine the stories these walls could tell? Here is my I'm just in awe of it all. This has been an absolute dream. Can you believe the architecture here? This is absolutely breathtaking. I'm literally standing in a Roman villa right now, and I'm about to go inside. Fingers crossed they let me film. Beautiful architecture. Så antikraftig rent de mark Youthmeisen, I could make fall. Peaceful gardens. I'm literally in a Roman garden. Look at these beautiful gardens.
Welcome to our home.
Thank you so much.
Come, let me show you.
I can't believe I'm meeting a real Roman family. This is incredible. Okay, let's try this on. It's a little big, but I love it. As you can see, I'm trying on a toga. It's a lot more complicated than it looks. And I think I need a little practice, but I'm getting the hang of it. And it's actually really comfortable once you get all the layers right. So I'm not sure if I'll be wearing this back in the 21st century, but it's definitely a cool experience. Can you believe I'm having a traditional Roman dinner? This is insane. The host is so kind and the food is incredible. I've never tried anything like this before. This is a once in a lifetime experience. I'm so grateful to be here. This is amazing. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for having me. This is a dream come true. That was incredible. I can't believe I just had a Roman dinner. And look at this bird. But even my Sunder Fatheo said, had him like nuisance that we like very Roman dinner. And look at this sunset. I could get used to this. Can you believe this? I'm standing in front of an actual Roman temple. This is where Romans worshipped their gods. I'm literally touching history. So cool. The stars are beautiful. Today was magical. Zara want. Today was my held Leffigen. I can't believe it's already over. I can't believe it. Thanks for coming with me on this incredible journey to ancient Rome. If you want to see more adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!